Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are going to fry a very popular Ghanaian street food, which is Kelewele. Stay tuned and let's get started. Ingredients for today's recipe include 10 overripened plantain, dried pepper, 2 red onions, ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 cups of vegetable oil, and fried groundnuts, which will be used for garnishing. Pick 1 plantain, cut the ends, and then divide it into 2 with the aid of a knife. Now use the knife to divide 1/2 of the plantain into 2 as well, and then cut it into thin slices in a bowl. After cutting the first half of the plantain, cut the second half into 2 as well. Then slice them into choppable pieces like the first one into a bowl. Do so until all the plantains are chopped. Let's move on to the grinding of the pepper. In a bowl of water, add the 2 red onions, the pepper and the ginger, as well as the wooden masher that you'll be using to grind the pepper inside the earthenware bowl. And then pour some of the water into the earthenware bowl and wash it. Now, tear the ends of the pepper and then place it in the earthenware bowl. Use the wooden masher to grind the pepper inside the earthenware bowl until it is smooth. Now, peel the onions, wash them, and then chop it into cubes and place them in the earthenware bowl. Do same for the ginger. Then grind everything together until smooth. The pepper paste is ready. It's time to mix the pepper paste with the chopped plantain pieces. With the aid of a spoon, fetch the pepper paste onto the chopped plantain pieces in the bowl, and then mix it together with the plantain pieces until every plantain piece is coated evenly. Let's fry the kelewele. Place your frying pan on your source of heat and then pour in the vegetable oil. Allow the oil simmer for about 5 minutes. Now fetch into the simmering oil the pepper-coated plantain pieces. Stir the plantain inside the oil as it fries to prevent it from sticking together. And then allow it fry for about 10 minutes as you stir gradually. After it is fried, fetch it into a colander on top of a bowl and then set it aside. Fetch into the simmering oil the second batch of the pepper-coated plantain pieces and allow it fry for 10 minutes as well as you stir gradually. When it is fried, fetch it into the colander as well. Let's serve the kelewele. Fetch the kelewele onto a plate and then enjoy it with the groundnuts side by side. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, subscribing to the channel is a way to promote my content to so many people, and this will also help us get equipment that we need to promote this business as well. So I'll be very grateful if you could subscribe right now if you are new here. Kindly join the beloved Gators family, and I promise you, you wouldn't regret it. Until we meet again, everyone, bye.